Hello and welcome to today's video. Today, we will be discussing an important topic that concerns pet owners: the introduction of a new puppy to an older dog. Specifically, we will explore the question of whether an older dog can harm or even kill a new puppy and provide tips for safely introducing a puppy to an older dog. Most of the time, dogs are loyal companions that bring joy and happiness to our lives. They can provide us with real unconditional love and become an essential part of our families. However, introducing a new puppy to an older dog can be a daunting experience for pet owners. There are several factors to consider before introducing a new puppy to an older dog, and one of the most common concerns that pet owners have is whether an older dog can harm or even kill a new puppy. The age and breed of the dogs, temperament and behavior of the dogs, history and experience of the dogs, size and strength of the dogs, and training and socialization of the dogs can all impact how an older dog will behave around a new puppy. Let's explore each of these factors in more detail. Age and breed of the dogs. The age and breed of your older dog are two critical factors that can impact their behavior around a new puppy. If your older dog is in their senior years, they may not have the energy level anymore to keep up with a playful puppy. Similarly, if your older dog is a smaller breed, they may be intimidated by a larger, more energetic puppy. On the other hand, if the older dog is a very large breed, they may be too rough with the newly introduced puppy during playtime. Temperament and behavior of the dogs. If your older dog has a calm and relaxed demeanor, they are more likely to accept a new puppy. However, if the older dog is already known to be aggressive or territorial, they may not be as welcoming to a new addition to the family. In rare cases, older dogs have hurt or even killed puppies. History and experience of the dogs. The history and experience of dogs can also play a significant role in how they behave around each other. If your older dog at some point had a negative experience with other dogs, they may be more likely to display aggressive behavior towards a new puppy. Similarly, if the puppy has had limited socialization with other dogs, they may not understand how to interact appropriately with your older dog. Size and strength of the dogs. Size and strength are two other crucial factors to consider. If your older dog is significantly larger and stronger than the puppy, they can accidentally harm the new puppy during playtime. Similarly, if the puppy is very small and fragile, they may not be able to defend themselves against an overly rough older dog. Training and socialization of the dogs. Proper training and socialization are crucial factors for a safe and smooth coexistence between a puppy and an older dog. Training can help both dogs understand how to interact appropriately with each other. A proper dog training will teach them basic commands such as sit and stay. Additionally, socialization will help new puppies learn how to communicate with other dogs and better understand how to behave in various situations. For older dogs, socialization can also help them become accustomed to interacting with younger dogs, including puppies. A dog that has been adequately trained and socialized is more likely to be calm, confident, and accepting of a new puppy in the household. Introducing a new puppy to an older dog can come with risks, including aggression, territorial behavior, injury or harm during playtime, and stress and anxiety for both dogs. However, there are several precautions and strategies pet owners can take to ensure a smooth transition. Gradual introduction and supervision. The first and most crucial step is to introduce the new puppy to the older dog gradually. Start by allowing them to sniff each other from a distance and gradually move closer together. It is essential to supervise the interactions between the two dogs closely. To begin with, introduce your new puppy to your senior dog in a neutral location such as a garden or during a walk. Avoid high-traffic areas or places with other dogs. Keep both dogs on a loose leash with a calm person at the other end. Allow them to walk at a distance and get used to each other's scent and presence. Watch their body language for signs of aggression, such as growling, aggressive staring, or fur standing on end. If you see this type of behavior, redirect their attention elsewhere. Once the dogs are comfortable with each other, you can shorten the distance between them. Observe their body language, but interfere as little as possible. If they are comfortable together, you can bring them home. It's important to have a way to separate them, such as specific rooms or baby gates. Your puppy may annoy your older dog, So, having a way to give them space will relieve stress. Positive reinforcement and training. Positive reinforcement is a training technique for dogs. Here, the pups and your older dog are rewarded for desirable behavior with something positive. Dogs learn that certain behavior has consequences and can link them to something pleasant through the reward. For most dog trainers, food is the best reward, as all dogs like to eat. It is efficient, can be delivered quickly, and doesn't distract the dog from training. Play is also used as a reward in dog training. For example, a game of tug or ball. Positive reinforcement training can also be helpful in introducing a new puppy to an older dog. Reward both dogs for calm and positive behavior towards each other, such as sitting calmly in each other's presence. Separation and management. Separation management can be an important tool when introducing a new puppy to an older dog. It can help prevent the older dog from becoming overwhelmed or aggressive towards the new puppy, and also help the puppy feel safe and secure in their new environment. One way to use separation management during the introduction process is to give each dog their own space to retreat to when needed. This could include providing the older dog with a separate room or crate and giving the puppy their own designated area with toys and a bed. This way, if either dog becomes overwhelmed or needs a break, they have a safe space to go to. When you cannot closely monitor your dog's interactions, keep them apart. Crating your puppy can prevent accidents with your older dog and reduce destructive chewing and house soiling. To avoid territorial behavior, it's important to establish boundaries with your dogs. Each dog should have its own toys and belongings. Focus on your senior dog to relieve their anxiety, greeting them first, feeding them first, and leashing them first when going out without disrupting their routine. Professional help and advice. Finally, do not hesitate to seek professional help if necessary for a smooth and successful integration of a new puppy with an older dog. A professional dog trainer or behaviorist can help assess the behavior of both dogs and provide guidance on how older dogs and puppies can live together safely.